I don't far-fetched, now I got to rest. Generational wealth, one of the reasons I can just rest. 24 hours and steady spread, I'm working on aiming to make this change. Like no one like Montana, I want the Lambo by December. Glory, everybody God, essential fat, everybody God. You need to make a back. Every bag and I see a good back. I know the door, I'm going to go punch out. The bag is running, we will see grandpa.